Hey all, welcome to the first build video on RC Lads. Sorry it's going to be a little rough, we've never done it before. It's for a Kyosho Optima Mid. There's quite a few videos building these already, so I won't get into too many details on it. This will be raced on our local club track, so I'll be setting up with 10k defoil on the front, 5k in the rear, shocks as per kit, and I'll tune that as needed. I've got some JC Racing wheels and some JConcepts Sprinter tyres. What I'll focus on most is we've got the EXO Concepts competition chassis kit, so I'll focus more around building that and how that fits together. Motor wise, we'll be fitting with NZ's vintage racing rules, so I've got a 27 turn brushed motor. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Thanks. One of the things I do like about the EXO kit is the shock towers and the amount of tuning options available with the different holes on that compared to stock Kyosho. So let's go and put that on. It's got a bunch of extra screws in it. Takes a bit of figuring out to see which ones you need, but we'll get there. The next part of the EXO competition pack is the front shock tower. You can see there, and there's so much more adjustment available for the shock mounts at the top and the upper suspension arms at the bottom compared to the factory Kyosho one. Alright, let's go put it in. Alright, straight away we're into the next piece of the chassis kit, which is this beautiful piece of carbon fibre. It's really nice, it's good, it's thick, it's really light. It's a really nice piece of work. Alright, let's go put it on. So because the EXO Design shock towers are thicker and they go on the back a little bit here, it means that you have to mount the shocks on the back of the mount, which is why the screw is backwards. You can see that. But that also means that you need to put the lower suspension arms on backwards as well, otherwise it doesn't line up very well. Just to check it out, I just got my handy dandy screwdriver, just put that on there to make sure it comes in nice and vertical. Because on the other side it ended up pointing a long way forward and it wasn't good. So put the arms on backwards, you'll be right.